And there's just the family having a little fun time. Then there's me. Hi.
Hi, Uncle Larry.
And then there's Steve.
Hey, Larry boy.
Did you notice there's
Larry.
There's a crack in the lens?
Larry.
Yeah, it's split.
Oh yeah.
Doesn't believe me.
Nope, I don't. Because I can see you.
me?
I can see you perfectly. And there's Uncle Art somewhere over there. He's hilarious. Then Bobby's videotaping everyone. So ciao everyone.
Would you like?
Jak szybko mijają chwile, jak szybko płynie czas. Jak szybko mijają chwile, jak szybko płynie czas. Za rok, za dzień, za chwilę, już tu nie będzie nas. Za rok, za dzień, za chwilę, już tu nie będzie nas.